Hello student, today we are going to perform the ascending order, the program of ascending order. Now in that what we are going to do, let us explain first, let us see first. Now suppose at 8000 location we are storing some number, suppose we are storing 8000, 001, 002, 003 and 8000, 004. Now suppose I am storing some numbers, suppose 5, 4, 6, 7 and 8, suppose we have. Now out of this, now what it will do after writing the program, it will be doing in the ascending order, means the lowest will be coming 04, 05, 06, 07 and 08. This is how it is going to do our program, means this will be the input and this will be the our result, because this is done in ascending order. Now for that what I am going to do, now for that I am going to first give HL pair with 8000. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to compare each number. Suppose the first number is 5, second number is 4. Now we will compare between these two. Now if you compare this one, this is your highest number and this is your lowest number. Now the lowest number must come first, so we are going to do the swapping operation here. This swapping operation we will see how it is done by programming. Now let me first write the program, and while executing the program step by step, then there we will learn the swapping. Now second number, if the first is 5, 4, the third is 6, 7 and 8. Now here we are going to compare these two numbers. Always there will be a comparison between these two numbers. Now let me write the program, then we will see how it is done, because we can understand very easily by our simulation. Now let me write the program. Now what I am doing, LXI at with 8000. This is HL pair I have moved. Now I am moving the content, means how many number you have, that many minus 1, C04. Now here, if suppose there if you want to do for the 5 number, then you need to give a value lesser than that. So I have taken the 5 number, 5 minus 1, so I have given the count 4. Now continue writing the program. After writing this one, I am going to move the first number to accumulator, and I'm going to increase my Excel pair, so to take the second number. Now the first number will be compared with the second number. This compare M means I am comparing with the memory, means 8001 I am comparing with the 4. Now if there is carry, now it is going to jump at some position JC, suppose down or last. I have taken last. Now you need to write the program for the last. Now suppose I have taken last, here it will jump. If there is carry, it is going to jump, and from here what it will do, it will decrement the content of C. If there is no carry, if there is carry, then it will decrease the content of C, and there will be, unless and until there will be a loop. Now let me write the loop, and this loop will be starting from here. And in between, if there is no carry, this is no carry, then what it is going to happen, if there is carry, then this program is going to move here, then there will be a swapping operation, because when you subtract 5 minus 4, there will be no carry, then we are going to swap what I told. And how swapping operation is done, let me write that. Move B comma M, I am moving the memory, the memory is pointed to 8001, that I am going to move at B, and then I am going to move the content of accumulator to memory. This is the swapping. Now I am going to decrease the content of H, and then again I am going to move M comma B, and then I am going to increase INX H. Now this is the swapping. Now let me explain how it is swapping is done. This, now let me autocorrect so that we will see the everything is written. Now if you see, this is everything is written very well. Now let me start how swapping is done. Now if you see the swapping, this program will be doing swapping. Now after comparing 5 and 4, suppose 5 and 4, this is the two number I am going to compare. Now if you compare with 5 and 4, then there will be no carry. There will be no carry means this step will be observed, means whatever there is in memory, that is going to move to B. Now memory is having 4, now B is having 4, and accumulator is having with the memory, means now 8001 will be having accumulator. What we have in accumulator, now after comparing with M, the accumulator will be having this the highest number, that is going to move to 8001, and then I am going to decrease the content. Now what it is, 8001. Now after decreasing the content, it will become 8000. Now this operation move B comma A, this B comma A means this value I am going to move at 8000 position. Now see, these two got interchanged, that is called swapping. And lastly we again go to increase H, means now again it has taken 8001. Now program HL pair will be having 800H, and this last DCRC, this will decrease the content. Now this will be taking third number, and this way loop will be going. So this is how the swapping is done. Now let me erase everything. Now till now we have not completed all program, we need to halt this program. Now for that, what I am going to do, we are just going to write halt. Now this swapping will be clear when we operate this program. Now let us auto correct this one. Now this is your, now let us assemble this program. Now we have assembled. Now before doing this, now let us write all the number, let us feed it. 800 first, 8001, 8002, 8003. Now it is taken 803. Now let me write 8003. Now this is 8, put enter. Now it is 8004. Now this is 5 number we have taken from 5 destination we have taken. Now we are just going to put the first number that we have taken, 5, 4, 6, 7 and 8. This is the number we have taken. Now if you simulate once, the answer that will be getting, that will be shown here. Now but let me simulate with step by step. Now we are starting simulation. Now go to first step. Now forward. Now HL pair is loaded with now let me take with other color. Now see, now after doing 8000, as after performing 8000, now HL pair is loaded with 8000. Now take different color only, because this is not 8000. Now HL pair is having 8000. Now once again move forward. Now after forward, this C is having 04. Now C is having 04. Now let me circle the C, because this is very important. Now I am just giving a dash so that you can see C over here 04. Now once again let me execute, go to forward. Now M is moved to A, whatever there is M here, M is having 5, that is moved to accumulator. Now again forward, this is your accumulator. Now let me write this one, this is your accumulator with different color. This is your accumulator, and with different color I am pointing this B. Now this is your B and C, there is, and one more, and we are just going to execute once more. Now increase H. Now HL pair is 8001, here you can see. Now compare M. Now comparison is done between increase the memory, these two memory. First number was 5 and the second number was 4. Now comparison is being done, there will be no carry, so it won't going to jump to last, so it will be taking move M comma B. Now this is going to move over here, mean M comma B, means now it is 8001 and 8001 we are having 04. Now if you see over here 8001, at 8001 we are having 04. Now this 04 is going to move to B. Here you can see that this move m comma b. Now it is gone to b. This is now b is faded with 4. Now again wants to move a comma m. Whatever there was at a accumulator, this got changed to 8001. Now in memory you can see here, now 8000 is holding. Now if you see here, 8000 is holding 5. Here this 5 I am saying, this 5 is initially it was 4, now it is holding 5. Now if I do once more forward, now it has decremented HL. Now HL pair is showing 8000. Now what it is doing, it is going b comma n. Whatever there is b, it is going to store at now here if you see, now it is 5. Now after doing forward it will change to, now 8000 we are having 5. Now after doing forward it will change to 4. See, now it has changed to 4. This is the swapping that has been done. Now again I am increasing the content of H. Now it is showing 8000. Now if I once put forward, now this will be 8001. And after that it is going to decrease our count. Now C will be reduced to 3. Now C has been reduced to 3, and this will keep on happening. This, there is loop. Now just go and enter. This will be happening because we have done this programming. Now till now your count is 2. Now this will happening till unless and until C is 0. Now it is 0. Now if you want to see the result, now see, initially the content was 4 5 4 6 7 8. Now it is 4 5. Now let me erase this one. Now if you see, now it is 4 5 6 7 8. Now this is the ascending. Now we have not seen all the looping because we have just kept our number in such a way that we have just shown the swapping of these two values. Initially it is arranged in our ascending order only, so we have left all the programming. Now suppose if you want to simulate at once, now if you simulate at once, then our number 4 5 6 7 8 will come here only in the same manner. So this is all about your this one ascending order program using simulated 8085.